Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing good. If you are new here, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe because today we are diving into something super exciting. In my previous video, I mentioned a few applications that I will be covering in my future video like invoice management system, real-time chatting system using Google Apps Script and Sheets, and of course, this student management system that we are exploring today. So stay tuned till the end because this system is a game changer for some schools. So what can this student management system can do? Friend, this is the version 1 of my student management system. So with this system, you can manage student data, handle attendance tracking, enter and manage students' mark, manage fee payment efficiently, print invoice and student marksheet. And the best part of this is that it is built in Google Apps Script and Google Sheet. So no expensive software is needed. It's completely free. So without delay, let's jump into the system. So this is the sheet. So this is the sheets. The database is completely maintained in Google Sheets. So this is the class sheets where the details of the class will be saved like class, section, fee structure, semester type, that is per year how many examinations will be there, subjects, and in subjects the subject has been mentioned with their mark distribution. This is the user sheets where login credential has been saved. This is the student sheets where name, class of the student, section, parent name, contact number, etc. has been saved. And this is the attendance sheets where the student attendance will be recorded over here. This is the fee sheets where the student's fee will be saved over here. This is the marks sheets where the student marks will be saved over here. This is the teacher sheets where the teacher's information and teacher's records will be saved over here. This is the routine sheets which will be developed in upcoming version. So guys, you can see that these are superly organized. Now let's check out the Google Apps Script site. So to do that, go to the extension and then Google and then App Script. So here you can see that every module, student, attendance, teachers, marks, fee has a separate script file. This makes it easy to update and manage. Now let's run the project. So this is the dashboard of this application. So let's log out from the system and this is the login page. So I have added a login page so that unauthorized person cannot access the data. Also, I have created user roles so that the admin have all the control over everything and the teachers can manage student marks, attendance and some little bit features. So for now, let's log in with the admin user. If it match with the login credential, it will redirect to the dashboard. So this is the useful dashboard where you can see beautifully organized. Here the total student will be shown here, total teachers, total invoice and collection. And below this, student count by the class. Then amount by fee type, amount by year month and the attendance report by date. So this Dashboard is everything is neatly displayed for quick access. Now first let's go to the class menu. So when we click on the class menu, it will display all the classes. So here you can see that at the topmost the class name is mentioned, and below that section. That means for that class how many sections are there, and then semester type, then fee structure, monthly fee, development fee, admission fee, and then subject with the mark distribution. So to add a new class, only we have to do that. We have to click on add class. It will open a form. Suppose we are going to add a new class UKG and then semester type. That means in a year how many exam will be there. Let's be 2. And then section. That means for that class how many sections are there. So for this class let it be 2 sections. You can give any name instead of A and B. And then fee structure. That means for that class, for this class, what are the fee structure? Let the admission fee for this class is $600, and then development fee for this class let it be $200, and then monthly fee for this class let it be $80, and then and then subject. That means for this class what are the subjects. So for this class the subject will be social science. It's capital social science, and the mark distribution will be written 80 marks, theory 10 marks, practical 10 marks, and then another subject environment. Let the mark distribution will be 80, 10, 10. So as much as subject you may add over here. So let's save this. So after saving, it will automatically display over this page. Also it will save the class in the sheets with classes. So if you want to update any of this class, just we have to click on the update button. We want to update the UKG class. So we have to click on the update button. It will display the details of that class in a form, and we change over here the mark details. And then save. It will save the details, and also it will update in the page. Okay. Now we can also delete any of the classes by clicking on the delete button. So now let's go to the student menu. So this is the student menu. So when you click on the student menu, it will display all the students of this school like this. So we can search any of the student by typing the name or ID or parent name or contact like this. So to add any new student, just we have to click on the add student button, and then we can add the details of the student. Suppose we want to add Elon Parker, and then choose class. If you are, when we choose any class, the section will be automatically updated in the section select box over here. Then date of birth, let the date of birth is January 15, and then gender, and then admission date. Okay, let it be admission date February 1, and then parent name, let be John Walker. Contact name, let it be 1092528 Okay. Address maybe city. Okay. Email, and then we'll add it. Then hit save button. It will save the details, and also it will update in the page automatically. And see over here sheets, it has been updated over here. So now if you want to edit or delete any student, so for that what we have to do is that we have to click on the icon button in respect of that student. So if we want to see the details for this student, then we have to click on this eye icon. It will display the details of that student. And if you want to edit this student, then we have to click on the edit icon. It will display all the details in a form, and it enable us to edit any of the following. So if you want to edit the date of birth, then we can edit it. Now if you want to delete any record, then we can click on the delete icon. Now let's proceed to teachers menu. So when you click on a teachers menu, it will display the teachers, list of teachers in that school. So if you want to add any teachers, then we will just click on the add teacher here like this. And if you want to view any details of the teacher, we can click on the I button over here. And if you want to edit, we can click on the edit button over here like this. Now let's edit this teacher. So instead of 5,000, if we edit the salary, okay, and it will update the record in the old page. Now let's proceed to attendance menu. On clicking on attendance menu, it will display all the students over here. So that date will be set to current date, and then if we select any class, it will filter the student for that class, and we can set the status to present, absent, late or excused. So let the attendance for James for the 15th March is absent, and if you save the attendance, it will save. And if you want to generate the report, then we have to go to under the attendance report, and there we can select the date range, and then we have to select the student, and then if you click on generate report, it will generate the report like this. See? So now let's go to the free page. On clicking on the free page, it will display all the student that has due payment. See? For example, for the student named James has the following dues: development fee, monthly fee for January, February and March, like this. So it will display all the students' due fee over here. You can search by name in the search box. Suppose the Elon wants to deposit the fee. So if you click on the Elon over here, it will display the Elon's due fee. See, development fee, admission fee, and also have the monthly fee due. Since the Elon has got admission on February, it has 2 months due. So if you want to invoice any of this fee, then we have to click on the generate invoice. So if we click on the generate invoice, it will open the form like this, and we can select the payment type and then date, and then amount will be automatically display over here, and then save. On saving, it will generate the invoice like this, and if you want to print, we can print, and it will delete that record from due payment over here. Now let's invoice another like this. Okay, and also let the okay. Now if we want to display the details for a student, that how many invoice has been generated for a particular student, for that we have to click on the class, we have to select the class, and then we have to select the student, and then just we have to click on the get details button. It will display the invoices for that student, and from here we can also print the invoice like this. Very cool. Now let's go to the mark page. Over here we can see that it displays the class. So let we select the class name, and then student, it will automatically display the student name, and then semester. And if the record mark was entered for that semester, for that student, then it will be displayed over here. So no mark has been entered for this student. So now we will enter the mark and see for this class the 2 subject has been automatically fetched over here. So add mark. So we got 75.5. Save. After saving, the mark will be displayed automatically on this page. So let's enter another mark, another subject mark, 55.5. Save. Now, if you want to print the mark sheet, then we have to just click on the print report. It will display the Marksheet for printing like this. Very cool, right? So now let's talk about how we can download this project and use for yourself. So for that, go to the video description and you will see that project link, and then click on that project link, and there go to the down, and here you will see that enter code to copy the sheet. So here type 20250315 and then submit. It will generate the link. So now click on go to the project. It will open the page where there will be a button, make a copy. So click that. So that's it. So now to use this, just go to the extension, then app script, then deployed, then new deployed, give any name, SMS V1, and in who can access, click in one, then deploy. It will ask for permission, so allow all the permission that is required like this. Go to the advanced, allow. Copy the link URL, and if we paste in the address bar, boom. See? So now let's try. See, it's working fine. So now let's log out, and if we enter with the teacher's account, then it will only display the menu that teacher has. See? So friends, this is the version 1 and I am already working on the next update. So what features do you want to see? Drop your suggestion in the comment. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more exciting projects, comment what you want in the next update. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.